Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm embarking on a journey that I've been putting off for far too long, decluttering my wardrobe and shoebox towards a minimalistic lifestyle. And if you're like me and tend to hold on to clothes that are too old or too small or simply not worn, this video is for you. Step 1 is to take everything out. Yes, I just said everything out. This way you can clearly see what you actually have and start sorting it out. So guys, here is the situation. I have too many clothes that I don't wear anymore. Some of them are too old, some are just too small, and some of them I just bought them because they were on sale. But today, all that changes. So I'm going to make 3 piles: keep, donate, and throw away. The keep pile is for the items that I truly love and wear daily. The donate is for the clothes that are in good condition but no longer suit me. And the throw away pile is for anything that is worn too much. Decluttering can feel really overwhelming, but breaking it down in these simple steps can make it manageable. Plus, it feels incredibly rewarding to create an organized and functional space. Guys, I used to buy clothes that didn't fit me at all just because they were on sale. It's a habit that I'm going to break. So from now on, I'm going to only buy clothes that fit me well and make me feel great. Donating clothes to charity is a fantastic way to help others while decluttering your own space. Knowing that my old clothes will help someone else give me a sense of purpose. With everything organized, I feel a huge sense of relief. Decluttering my wardrobe has significantly eased my anxiety. It's amazing how a tidy space can lead a clearer mind and a greater sense of control. Anxiety and clutter often go hand in hand. Too many clothes can make you feel overwhelmed and stressed, By going minimalistic, I found more peace and focus. Less truly is more. It's just wonderful to know that these items will get a second life and support those in need. And here we are. We will drop off all these black bags to the local charity. Thank you all for joining me today on this decluttering journey. If you're feeling overwhelmed by your own wardrobe, I really encourage you to give this a try. It might just be the fresh start that you need. And remember, it's not about having less, but it's about making room for more of what matters. Guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you next.